your partition just disappeared. And now your drive shows as unallocated. Stop, don't click anything yet, because one wrong move could permanently erase your data. In this video, I will show you step by step how to recover your lost partition in minutes and get all your files back safely without formatting or losing anything. The first thing you need to do is download and install the EaseUS Partition Recovery software. To make this easy for you, I have placed the official download link in the pinned comment. Go ahead and use that link to get the exact version I am using, plus any current discounts available. This particular tool can rebuild your entire lost partition. It works without putting your existing data at risk. Once you are on the page, download it. When the download completes, open the installer and follow the simple installation process to launch the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. Now that your software is open, you will see a list of all your physical drives. You might even see an indication of your lost partition. Do not recover the lost partition from this section. Simply navigate to the Advanced Features section and select the Lost Partition Rescue. This section is dedicated to recovering missing partitions, partitions that cannot be opened, and damaged BitLocker partitions. Click Start to begin the recovery process. Next, you will need to choose a drive to start searching for lost partitions. Carefully select the disk where your partition was lost, not the partition itself, but the entire disk. Once selected, click Search for Lost Partitions. This will start the Smart Partition Scan. This performs a deep analysis and can recover partitions that were lost due to corruption, formatting, or system crash. When the scan completes, lost partitions will be found and the recoverability status will be indicated. Now simply select the lost partition and click Recover. Once you start the scan, the software begins analyzing your drive sector by sector. This is where the real recovery happens. It is actively searching for traces for your lost data, whether it was deleted, corrupted, showing as raw, or even turned into unallocated space. Once the scan is complete, the software will display all the partitions it was able to detect. And this is where you need to pay close attention. Take your time here. Select a partition and open it to preview the contents. You are looking for clear signs that it's the right one. Your folders should be intact. File names should look familiar, and the size should match what you had before. Once you have confirmed it, select the partition and click Recover. Next, choose a destination to save the recovered data, and make sure it is on a different drive, not the one you are recovering from. Now, this is where everything comes together. The software will begin restoring your lost partition data to the location you selected, bringing back your files, folders, and structure exactly as they were. No formatting, no complicated rebuild, just a clean, safe recovery. And you should see all your files back. Now your partition is back. You can upgrade your setup to stay fully in control of your data at all times. I have left another link in the pinned comment. It gives you access to exclusive discounts on powerful tools. If your data actually matters to you, don't wait until it's gone. Secure it today.